Good morning, it's Mark Underdahl, and this is Aldith.
Hello.
We are on the Cannon River in a park in Dundas, where there's a trail that leads through all the way up to Northfield. I can't remember the name of this park, but anyway, it's pretty nice back here. Today is May 1st, Thursday, May 1st, 2025. And we're just looking at the Cannon River right now. One part of it that we don't usually see after walking on the park. I think Maple Trail was the last sign we saw back on the trail. It's right by a dog park, if that helps. Anyway, and over there, I can't remember what county road it is, but it runs
78.
78, okay.
Yeah.
Runs through from Dundas all the way to McLean. There's a...
Bees swimming down. They flew down there and now they're swimming back. The water is going this way.
No, I don't know if you could see them, but I'm zoomed in all the way. Okay. Well, another nice shot of the Cannon River. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya.